Hey, how you doing? My name is Kawan Mail, successful online entrepreneur, six-figure earner, top of affiliate in multiple companies. And today we're going to go over the 7K loyalty program and rewards and show you what it's all about. All right, so let's dive right in. When you join 7K, one of the benefits is that you get rewarded, you get points for sharing this opportunity with other people. So let's go right here. We see it say loyalty. And as you can see, we get bonuses for, enrolling new members. And for doing so, you get 100 points. So every time you enroll someone new, you get 100 points. People join your team, you get points. So you can redeem those points for silver. And as you can see right here, I already have 3,800 points, right? So with this 3,800 points, I can shop down here. And as you can see, it says redeem your points. You may select one product from the options below every 30 days. So what's nice about this is, look, you see I got 3,800 points, right? I've only been in the company 7 days today. So I've been in the company 7 days, already earned 3,800 points. And look, down here. Now you can go look this up. What's nice is all this stuff is certified and registered, and you can actually go look up, how much these things are worth. And this coin right here, 2020 Prometheus 3-ounce silver coin, is actually worth around $450. Yeah, $450. So you figure just for sharing this opportunity, I've already made commissions. So on top of the commissions and on top of what I was able to earn weekly, now I'm able to actually cash in some points and get a $450 coin. So basically it's a free coin. And the nice thing is, look, I have 3,800 points. This is only taking up 2,800 of them. So that means come next month, I'll be able to buy another coin, and I'll be able to buy, let's say, this one right here for $850. Or I can let these points continue to stack up, right? And then when they finish stacking up, then I can come back and then be able to buy another high grade coin, whatever the one is for next month. And these coins right here aren't able to be purchased on our site because they did that for a reason. They wanted to do it on purpose. They can make these more exclusive, and make it so that people can't just say, all right, well, I don't need the points. I can just go buy this. So that's not the case. So what we're going to do is we're going to purchase this coin in real time. Okay, so I'm going to use my points right now. I'm going to use this 3,800 to show you just how easy and simple this is. And this gets sent straight to your doorstep. Okay, let that sink in again. Straight to your doorstep. And within 3 to 4 days. I've got mine's in about 3 to 4 days. Also, when you look down here, NGC, that is one of 3 major verification authorized dealers that you can actually go to their website, type in the serial numbers of these coins, and actually get the true market value of what they are. So let's go right now to this coin. We're going to get that. Your order has been received and will be sent to your next qualifying wholesaler. So just that simple. I have just purchased this coin. Now it will be sent on my autosave. We have an autosave service where every month at a certain time they'll send you a coin. So now, and as you can see, one of mine's right here. Okay, so it's a silver coin, and now they're gonna send. This one's a nice one. Got the beaver on it, color beaver. So along with my autosave, I already have an autosave. Now I'm going to also get this coin right here. So how cool is that? All right. And one of the things that I love about 7K Metals, and I have to stress, is they have a perfect rating on the Better Business Bureau. Now, again, let that sink in. A perfect rating on the Better Business Bureau. I know that's unheard of, and especially for a company that's been around for over 5 years. So let's go ahead and dive in because documentation beat conversation, right? So look right here. 4.56, almost just a perfect 5. Even though there is a 5-star rating and it has an average of 36 customer reviews, and this is what I want you to pay attention to. What is this right here? 0 complaints. Oh my God. How huge is that? 0 complaints. When have you ever seen a company that's been around for 5 years and have 0 complaints? That means nobody is unhappy. That means not one person has something bad to say. I mean, let's be honest. Every company has at least one bad review, right? Every company has at least one hater that's just hating on the company, right? not this company. And you can see right here, like I said, it's been in business since 2016. 2016. It is now 2021. And look, 5-star reviews, 36 customer reviews, everyone's happy, and 0 complaints. That is phenomenal. And you can even see right here. See, fantastic company with opportunity to collect red, silver, and gold coins and earn extra. Absolutely amazing company. The opportunity to invest in your own future with this company is unbelievable. You can make money with gold and silver. And as you can see, just goes on and on and on, all 5-star reviews. And you can go check these out for yourself as well. So those were one of the things that really attracted me to the company, okay, was the fact that, like I said, these were actually certified. A Better Business Bureau had an A rating with the Better Business Bureau, and that right there really sold me on on the company. All right, so quick recap. So basically, when you make sales or when you refer others to 7K Metals, right, and you enroll, you get enroller bonus. Okay, and you get 100 points, and as you can see, which is a beautiful thing, so you can see right here, I got 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so forth and so on. You can see the dates that they came in, right? So you're going to be able to redeem these points. So you can redeem all these points, as you can see right here. Okay, and then you can redeem them for coins. And like I said, how cool is that? Because now this is just on top of your autosave, on top of what you're already purchasing. All right. And just this another benefit out of many why, 7K is an awesome company to be a part of. All right. So if you like what you saw and you're ready to get started with 7K Metals, you say, hey, man, you know what? I want to start securing the bag. I want to start collecting precious metals. Then, you can hit that link below. All right. And we'll get you going. Also, if you got questions, I got answers. Call me, 619-306-9453. If you're ready to get started, then just go to godsmoney.co, not com, .co. All right, so that's godsmoney.co. You can see the link down there below. All right, so just hit that link and we'll get you going and get you started collecting precious metals. Again, my name is Kawan Mayo, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace and blessings. Have a blessed day.